Good morning, and welcome to Fair Value Study. This is your pre-market briefing for Thursday, June 4th, 2026. Let us start with futures. Markets are sending a divided signal this morning. The Dow is holding green, up 0.82%, but the S&P 500 is slipping 0.42%, and the Nasdaq is taking the hardest hit, down 1.3%. The Russell 2000 is barely positive at plus 0.18%. That split in futures tells you exactly where the pain is concentrated this morning. So what is driving the Nasdaq lower? The headline story is Broadcom, ticker Broadcom. The company actually beat estimates, posting record revenue of $22.19 billion and earnings per share of $2.44. But the stock cratered 15% in pre-market trading. Why? Because investors wanted CEO Hock Tan to raise the AI forecast, and he did not. He kept the fiscal 2027 AI semiconductor guidance steady at over $100 billion. The market wanted more, and it sold hard. CrowdStrike is also under pressure, falling 11% after delivering inline guidance alongside rising expenses that spooked investors. On the macro side, the OECD projects global growth of 2.8% and US growth of 2% in 2026. The economy is expanding, but not accelerating. The 10-year Treasury yield is sitting near 4.49%, keeping borrowing costs high for consumers and companies alike. Now to commodities. Oil is down over 3% this morning as the geopolitical picture around Iran stays murky. The US House passed a resolution 215 to 208 to limit President Trump's military operations against Iran without congressional approval. That uncertainty is weighing on crude. Meanwhile, gold is up 1.26% and silver is up 1.07%, both catching safe haven flows as tensions stay elevated. On crypto, Bitcoin is down 5.67% to around $63,185, and XRP is lower by 5.25%. The risk-off tone in tech is clearly spilling over into digital assets. In Forex, the euro and British pound are strengthening against the dollar, while the yen is slightly weaker at 159.83. The FTSE 100 and Nike 225 are both in the red, reflecting global caution. Finally, the VIX is ticking up 3.36% to 16.60. Not alarming, but rising fear is worth watching as we head into the open. Stay focused, manage your risk, and I will see you in the next update. Thanks for watching. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Stock investing involves risk. Please conduct your own research before making any investment decisions.